Hey y'all, welcome back to Heather Made Home. I am Heather and today I'm just doing a day in the life vlog. It's going to be like a self-care study day. I need to get my nails done. I need to get my eyebrows did. And I just started an online interior decorating course, so I want to finish the first couple of assignments for that. So, figured I would take you guys along with me for that. So, let's get into it.
Now that the kids are at school and I'm back at home, I'm going to finish my morning cleaning routine really quick. These are things that I try to do every day no matter what, and it really helps me to do them first thing. And by first thing, I mean after the school run when my coffee started kicking in. That way, I also get to enjoy being in my house while it's still clean before my family comes home. It usually doesn't take more than 15 or 20 minutes to bang it out. And the first thing that I'll do is clean up the kitchen, and then I'll tackle my bedroom, opening the blinds, making the bed, and doing a quick tidy up of anything that needs to be put back where it actually belongs.
So I was going to treat myself to my mani-pedi before I did any work on the assignments that I have. And then I sat down at the computer to edit a thumbnail before I go to the nail salon and realized I only have like 4 questions to do, and the first assignment is super easy. It's basically just introducing myself to my tutor. So I'm just quickly going to answer these questions about myself. It's super easy to talk about myself, so I'm just going to bang this out real quick, and then I'm going to head to the nail salon and get my mani-pedi. So I am on my way to the nail salon. It took me about 10 minutes to finish answering about 4 questions for my first assignment in this interior decorating course that I'm doing. So that was super easy. I'm going to get my nails redone, and let's talk about this dip powder life, okay? I'm here for it. I'm here for all of it. My nails have never been this long. Maybe not never. Only when I was pregnant were my nails actually this long. So I'm really excited about this situation. They seem healthy, they seem long, they don't chip, there's nothing. I'm always doing the powder from now on. So today's big decision is gonna be, what color do we get?
How can I help you?
Can I get a medium lemon berry slush and large tater tots?
Alright, anything else?
Nope, that's it.
$6.69, thank you.
Thanks. Lunch of champions. So I'm back at home now after all that self-care, and I've got like an hour before it's time to start the school pickup run. So I'm gonna work on my next assignment for my interior decorating course for that hour. This one I'm practicing making a goal statement. And basically, I'm gonna pick a room in my house, I think, and pretend like I am my own client and make a goal statement for that room, assuming that I am doing an interior decorating project with myself as the client. So I'm gonna try that out. Hopefully I can get it done within the hour. If not, I have a little bit of time later that I can finish it up before my daughter and I go to a little girls movie night that my friend's having. So yeah. Alexa, set an alarm for 2:45.
Alarm set for 2:45 p.m.
Thanks, girl. So actually the first thing I have to do is take before photos of the room. I think I'm gonna actually do this room that I'm in right now, which is my bedroom. My husband and I have some plans for some things we want to do in here anyway, so I feel like that's a good place to start. So I'm gonna stop this because I need this camera to take the pictures. Hey, buddy. Oh, we can move this. How was school? All right, have a seat.
And can we go back to Academy and to get the different?
Oh yeah. Yeah, we can. Just gotta go by the house and pick them up. And then we gotta pick up Adana first because she's getting out of school a little bit early. How was your day, man? Just get in the car asking me for things. Jeez. How was game day? Yeah, did you get to play your game? Cool.
I won most of the time.
You won most of the time?
2 times.
Well, you're the winningest winner of all. So what are you gonna do this weekend, buddy?
Learn how to ride my bike and practice the songs for school.
We have a basketball game tomorrow.
That means I can't.
Well, I mean, you'll still have plenty of time to ride your bike. The game is at 9. In the back seat, now I'm finally from the stage while you were clapping in the nosebleed. What? Huh? Oh. Orenze, check yourself before you wreck yourself. Once we got home, I was able to finish up my assignment, and then my daughter and I headed out for girls' night. We had such a great time that I forgot to take any pictures or video, but it was still fun. So I'll catch you in the next video. In the meantime, keep it real.